Hi there, Phil from Parklings. I hope you're all well, having a good day today. Now today I've been given the opportunity by Hugbow to test out their self-watering seed tray kit. It's in here, and I'm going to quickly open it up, show you what's in there, and then see if we can put it together, hopefully with ease. So let's have a little look. Here we go. Okay, a lot of plastic here. So firstly, that is definitely going to be the dome. And we have something here, not sure. I know that. That is where you're going to put your seeds. Oh, a few goodies. That's a pH tester. We have the LED strips. Something. A manual. Some plant tags. A couple of little tools. And then we have some kind of fabric. And a tray. So, let's get that and see what's up. So here's our manual. We have style B here. The thing I didn't know what it was at first is a plant stand. The fabric is an automatic plant watering mat, and we have a seed tray, base tray, transparent dome, and the air vent windows. So, put it together. First of all, that's your self-watering mat. You douse that in water. You then get your base tray, and then the shelf, and you get your mat, put that over, fold the edges, put that straight inside there, and you'll see that's where the water would be, and this is the mat, goes in to where the water is. That water will keep this moist. Then you get the seed tray, and you see all of these little holes. That is where the water from the mat will come up into your soil. Then we have these things, and our dome will go on top. So you have to get these and put them inside. And the second one, there we go. And then we put that on the top like so. Then we get our LED strips. They go up here, nice and simple. There's number one. And then we take number two and put that one in there as well. And then simply plug it in, job done. Okay, so final thoughts then. Straight away, quick and easy to put together, small, simple manual, no confusion, which is great. On top of that though, I would say it is really for a new gardener. It works well for them because it's got everything you need. And basically you start with seeds, it's a lot cheaper. And this also is not just a seed starter kit, it is specific to being an automatic waterer. So that is really good because what it means is you can put your seeds in there, not worry about your soil drying out, wasting your seeds. When you go away for 2 or 5 days, something like that, you come back actually and it's nice and moist still, it's not dried out and killed your plant. That's great. Now, you don't just get the one kit I showed you though, you actually get two. It is a twin pack, so even better for your money. As you also get tags, you get the tools, pH tester, and these LEDs. So that is fantastic, but these are my only downside. There's no clamp or stand to the lights, but that's not a problem. Because basically you're not having to try and work out how you're going to move these apart to get to cover the whole dome and everything. Or you're not going to kick a stand over. It means basically you put that in there, they both clip in, and then you've just got the wires coming down, absolutely fine. So that is the only thing with that. I did do a review though on another one a little while ago, and with that there was an up and down. Upside was you could actually have silicone at the bottom, you could push your thing through and you get your plant straight away without disturbing the soil. But it had no dome and that was a killer. Now with this, it doesn't have the silicone, but it does have the dome, and they do give you a tool to be able to get it out as well. So I would say really that is a big plus, and the dome is really going to help you, along with the fact you've got that moisture mat as well. It's really pretty darn good kit. I actually did a stress test of it as well, and it did do very well. I did try that a lot. I did try taking the little green discs out for moisture about 20 times, and I did throw it around a couple of times in the garden. No damage whatsoever, so I'm really happy with that. So all in all, Really good kit for a starter, and even for someone who's been doing it for a while and just wants some extra kit as well, or wants to expand on what they've got. So with that, I do hope this has actually helped you on this review to find out what you really want to get. And with that, I'd just like to say, I hope you have a fantastic growing season. Take care. Goodbye.